I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Mazda key fob and what battery you'll need. So to start with, you need to go to the bottom of the fob and pull this button here. It can be a little bit fiddly, but if you pull the button and pull the back at the same time, it should just pop off. There we go. Next, we need to try and get off the front of the fob. To do this, we're going to get the little key at the back of the fob that's got a little bit that sticks out. And if we use that and stick it at the top, we should be able to, there we go, leverage off the top. And then we're going to use the same bit to push a little plastic button at the top left through the device, and that should pull off the front of the fob. And there we have it. We've managed to get into the area that houses the battery. If you use your nails to pull at the side of the battery cover, it should just come off, and there you have it. Access to the battery for the fob. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a subscribe to my channel.